Okay, we're here at go-to-math.com. Come up here, click on Algebra. Let's go down to absolute value equations and 5.1. I believe that's it right there. Find the solutions to the equation right in numerical order. That means from smallest to largest. Alright, that's if you want to insert it into the checkbox before you actually click answer to see the answer. So let's write this one down and then head over to the whiteboard. Ready? Okay, got that. Let's go over to the whiteboard now. Alright, so we're trying to find the solutions to this equation. And let's just go ahead and write the equation down. We have the absolute value of 7x plus 6. And then we have this plus 1 here, kind of throw you off, is equal to 21. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is get this in the standard form to where we have just the absolute value over here on the left hand side. And that means we're going to take this positive 1 over to the right hand side, and it now becomes a negative 1. Okay? And you know what, let's just do that right now. So we're subtracting 1 from both sides is what we're doing. So we don't have to rewrite or erase. So we've got 21 minus 1. That's going to make that a 20. Okay. Okay. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to rewrite this twice, and we're going to drop those absolute value bars. All right. And then we're going to drop the absolute value bars again. We'll write it over here. And make this over here, multiply it by negative 1 or make it negative. You want to do that. Okay? Alright, so let's solve for x in this equation, and that means we're going to take this 6 over here to the other side, and therefore we have 7x is equal to 20 minus 6, so that gives us what? 14. So we have 7x is equal to 14, and therefore x is equal to 2. So that happens to be one of our solutions. Now the other one over here, we're going to take this 6 over here to this side, so we end up having 7x is equal to negative 20 minus 6, so we have 7x is equal to negative 26, and therefore x is equal to negative 26 over 7. Remember, we just moved diagonally down the 7, or you could think of it as multiplying by the keep wanting to say the conjugate, but that's not it. Oh my god, my mind's gone blank. The reciprocal, right, of that. I need to go see a doctor. Alright, so this is where we're at. We've got negative 26 over 7 and 2, and of course what you can always do is take that 2 and come up here and plug it in. So 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20, right? And the absolute value of 20 is just 20, and then add 1 and you get 21. So that's a way to check that. And of course you can take the negative 26 over 7 and plug it in. So the 7's will cancel out. We'll be left with negative 26 plus 6 is negative 20, but when you take the absolute value of negative 20, you get positive 20, and 20 plus 1 is 21. So it looks like these two guys here check out. So let's go back to the web page. Negative 26 over 7 and 2. Alright, or you can plug it in right up here. Now remember, it needs to be in the numerical order, that is smallest to largest. So let's just make sure all that's going to work out. No spaces, don't put any spaces in there. Click answer correct. Okay. So it all looks good. So come on over to gotomath.com. You can practice. Everything's well structured here on exactly what you need to know. Well, at least get started anyhow. Alright, and we'll see you later.